The Living Cube contemporary furniture designers have come up with numerous clever ways to make the most of your home's limited square footage, especially in urban apartments where every inch counts. Among the standout options are pieces that combine striking, eye-catching looks with maximum functionality, and the Living Cube is a perfect example of this philosophy in action. Along its sides, you'll find an assortment of cabinets, cubbies, and shelving units, all thoughtfully arranged for easy access. This is where you can keep books, vinyl records, a stereo system, a television, and even folded garments or accessories, all organized within arm's reach. A staircase runs along one end of the unit, leading up to a small door that opens into the hollow interior of the structure.
In this particular version, the enclosed space functions as a compact storage closet, though the manufacturer notes that the internal layout is fully customizable depending on the owner's needs. It could just as easily become a walk-in closet, a small dressing area, or even a compact bathroom. As for the flat top of the structure, that's your flexible, open-ended zone. You could set up a relaxing lounge spot with cushions and pillows, or, as demonstrated in the accompanying clip, turn it into a cozy sleeping area with a mattress. Parasite Space Up. Unlike the first solution, which really only works in a spacious room with unusually tall ceilings, this bed from the French manufacturer Parasite is far more compact and practical for everyday apartments. Yet it still manages to deliver impressive, generous storage capacity. Take a closer look at the built-in shelving that runs along both sides of the bed frame, sized just right to hold books, toiletries, care products, and other everyday essentials within easy reach. While plenty of beds on the market share this same basic side shelf layout, the Space Up model truly stands apart from competing products thanks to one standout, patented feature. The entire mattress lifts up smoothly on a hinge, revealing a generous 2.3 cubic meters of hidden storage space underneath, complete with several built-in drawers for organization. There's even more than enough room to stash bulkier, awkwardly shaped items like suitcases, luggage sets, or sports equipment. The lifting hinge mechanism itself has been engineered with real mechanical precision. When fully raised, it leaves ample clearance for someone to step inside comfortably and move around without bumping their head. In short, the Space Up cleverly combines three separate pieces of furniture into a single unit: a bed, a nightstand, and a full-size closet, all in one compact footprint. Slumber shelves/duo sofa. For people living in especially tight quarters, such as studio apartments or small city flats, Resource Furniture offers an ingenious solution called the Duo, a fully convertible sofa system. When folded up for daytime use, it's completely indistinguishable from any standard two-person couch you'd find in a furniture showroom. Unfold it, though, and the entire structure transforms into a functional bunk bed setup within seconds. What initially appears to be a simple decorative wall panel is, in fact, a second pull-down bed frame, cleverly fitted with soft, cushioned edges to protect whoever is sleeping on it from bumps or scrapes. Topping off the whole unit, right at the very top of the structure, is a convenient built-in shelf for additional storage. Smart Kitchen. Since the kitchen tends to be the room where households spend the bulk of their daily time, cooking, eating, and gathering together, it deserves to be both highly practical and genuinely inviting. This particular example, engineered by specialists at an Italian design firm, packs an impressive number of thoughtful features into every single inch of available counter and cabinet space. A simple remote control is all it takes to operate and open the drawers automatically. Corner spaces, which are typically the most difficult and awkward areas to use efficiently in any kitchen layout, are here put to completely full use through clever rotating mechanisms. Removable outer panels make deep cleaning significantly simpler and less time-consuming than in a conventional kitchen. The refrigerator's drawer-style compartments look, from the outside, like ordinary cabinetry, but they're positioned conveniently right beneath the countertop, letting you grab ingredients and put food away much more quickly during meal prep. Built-in dividers inside the drawers help keep kitchen tools, utensils, and appliances neatly organized and easy to find. The whole system even includes wireless charging spots built directly into the surfaces, reflecting its thoroughly modern, tech-forward approach to design. Smart Living. This particular piece from Ozio Design might, at first glance, look fairly similar to the earlier TV and dining combination unit we covered, but it actually pushes the dual-purpose concept even further. It's specifically built for homes that have enough room for a separate bedroom, but not quite enough space for a full, dedicated dining area. The panel holding the television slides smoothly aside to reveal a row of hooks with folding chairs hanging neatly behind it, while a fold-out dining table is tucked away in the lower portion of the frame, hidden until needed. Within just a matter of moments, the entire room can be completely reconfigured, transformed, and ready to host dinner guests or a comfortable family meal. Any remaining shelf space on the unit is available for displaying or storing whatever else the homeowner likes. Breaking the box. Every single piece featured in this segment comes from the celebrated Chilean artist and designer Sebastián Errázuriz. His body of work was showcased in a dedicated New York exhibition titled Breaking the Box, which ran from late January through the beginning of March of this year. These pieces read far more like abstract sculptures than conventional everyday furniture. Yet thanks to their remarkably inventive construction, what looks purely decorative or artistic actually doubles as fully functional storage for small household items. One particularly striking cabinet appears massive and imposing at first glance, but it collapses down to almost nothing when fully closed, despite somehow housing as many as 10 separate drawers inside. It's an ideal fit for narrow hallways or tight spaces where conventional sliding drawers simply wouldn't work otherwise. Its individual segments connect to one another through an interlocking design and open smoothly with a simple twisting or rotational motion. Another piece in the collection serves a dual purpose as both decorative wall art and a fully functional shelf, blurring the line between sculpture and utility. Ori Pocket Closet. Many people dream of having their own dedicated dressing room somewhere in their home, but for most, that dream simply isn't realistic. There's no spare room available, or the bedroom itself barely fits a bed and one basic wardrobe as it is. Ori Living, a company that specializes in transformable motorized furniture, unveiled an innovative new solution last November that allows almost any standard-sized bedroom to gain its own dedicated dressing area. When fully collapsed, the Ori Pocket Closet takes up remarkably minimal floor space, blending into the room. Its side panels include built-in shelving, one section large enough to display a painting or mount a television, and another that folds neatly outward into a compact, functional workspace or desk. Pressing a single button causes the unit's various sections to separate and expand automatically, revealing internal shelves and compartments designed for clothing, shoes, and accessories. The entire system can also be controlled remotely via a smartphone app or through a voice-activated smart speaker for added convenience. Beyond simply functioning as a closet, the Ori Pocket Closet doubles as a compact mini bookshelf, a general-purpose storage room, or a dedicated spot to keep office paperwork and documents neatly organized.